Hi, it's Noah from Thrive. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through step 6 of my 9 components for dominating business online. Step 6 is the killer offer. This is a piece of content you develop for your target audience that's so valuable that they are willing to give their email address to see this content. It could be a PDF, a YouTube video, a video series, an ebook, a white paper. I'll give you an example of what I do on my website, thrive.design. If you scroll down to the bottom here, it's going to say 5 steps to a winning website. It's really the 5 things you need to know before designing a website and even hiring an agency to work on your website. Now, this is a content piece clients are going to want, and they'll click this download now button. They'll put in their name and their email address. I then immediately send them off this PDF, which is branded to my company colors and fonts and answers their questions around what they need to prepare for before designing a website or hiring an agency. And again, this is a positioning piece. It does provide value to the client. It does set them up as an ideal customer for me because it educates them. But I also then put them into an email sequence over the next 2 weeks where I send 5 different short educational emails that further position my company as the right solution for them. And the key to a killer offer is we're not doing a hard sales pitch. We're not trying to sell them on anything. We're just providing value, answering questions, positioning ourselves as an expert. And if what I have to say resonates with them, they like this content, they're going to schedule a conversation with me. And no matter what, I have their email moving forward for retargeting, providing additional value and pieces of content in the future. So that is step 6 of my 9 components for dominating business online. As you can see here, it's part of an overall system for taking your business to the next level. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe to my channel here and check out these other videos.